love. Kala ko nag-worship kayo. Ba't di ba kayo nakatitig, ha? Nag-worship kayo. Ba't kayo nakatitig eh?
Asama, eh.
Si Raven na in love. Tayo na in love si Raven.
Love.
2 and a 3 and a 4, 5 and hit, boom, tididi, boom, bada boom.
Ano next? Di ko na alam. Video ko. What up guys? May dumaan. Yun, workshop muna kami guys.
Okay, so.
Dami nag-workshop.
Hold on. I
Dami nag-workshop.
How about the honor? Yay! Cool! What else? What else? Hey, Ken, let me see you.
Let's go.
He's fine. He's fine. But anyway, so right now.
Are you ready? Wow, I love the energy. Nice. So I came all the way from USA to be here, and yeah, I'm excited to share with everyone. เข้าใจไหม? เข้าใจภาษาอังกฤษไหม?
So actually, today we also have guys from Philippines and also from other countries, I believe. So you also can run your class in English. I will help you translate into Thai. Okay, all good?
Perfect.
Great.
So